Here's a new 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce the eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.